Yo guys, I'm HP and here I'm gonna explain you the main functions of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I'm gonna explain the basic functions in the first 5 minutes in order that you can proceed in a proper way, and the more advanced functions if you want to get deeper into the system, and the additional 10 minutes. So just really take at least 5 minutes of your time to check this out. So let's get started here. Okay, first we have the entry page. You probably came over this page here over YouTube. This is the entry page on the hpcrazy.com webpage. Here you find all information about the academy, and here you can enter. The other way to enter the website is over the main page, HPCrazy.com. Probably you select this one because it just has been renewed, and here you find, if you come here, you find all information here, the guidelines, also some words about the referral system. Here you find all really essential news streams on one click, and here you find the featured services. So we enter from here. You find, my expert blog, the newsletter, and so on. Now let's go in. I won't show the registration process. I just log in with a test account. So you have entered the website now, and you have registered as a free member. Now this is how the page looks like. Here you have the latest topics, always the latest 5 topics. So you can log in every day and check what's new. It's probably every day something new, sometimes not. And here, this is the new feature, the available guitar courses, and it's going to be updated and extended in the very near future. And also important here about the students blog, but I will come back to this in the advanced selection. Here you have clubs. You have 2 clubs. Here's the Guitar Students Club, and I strongly recommend that you join that one here. So you click on this, here's the place where you find additional stuff. If you want to have access to all features in this club, you just hit this button here, join club, and now you are a member of the club. Now you can open a topic if you want, students topics. You have access to the free files. I just added one today here, the guitar practice plan. You can download this now. So you get downloads here, stuff like that, tabs, whatever. And here you also find the courses again, but they're also displayed on the front page. When you scroll further down, now you find the different departments. You find blues guitar, rock guitar, jazz guitar, funk guitar, guitar covers, acoustic guitar, guitar secrets, guitar artists, guitar meditation, classical and film music, and. And here's a special department for guitar beginners. Is a course, if you're a completely beginner, that's the place to go. If you're completely new, do that first, and then you can start doing the regular lessons. On each of let's go into a department, let's say blues guitar. Okay, here you'll find tags. Here, if you want to looking for blues easy, then hit this tag and you find all tutorials which are marked with easy or whatever, intermediate, whatever. You can also follow a department by hitting this button, and then you get notified when a new content is added to the department of your choice. Then if you want to enter a tutorial, let's take this one here. You find the tutorial, and you also find the files which are associated to the tutorial. If you want to download those, you have to become a premium member. I come to this in 1 second. You can also answer to any topic as a free member. Now let's go to the if you want to have access to the files, this will be backing tracks. I'll show you. See, currently I'm not a premium member, so I cannot download this. I quickly switch the account. and take another account, and there you see what happens where you're when you're premium member. So let's again go here in the department, learn blues guitar, hit on a department of your choice, then hit download this file, and now agree and download. Now you can download the stuff. In order to download files associated to the tutorials, you need to be a premium member, and here you can select the subscriptions of your choice. So you hit here, you can have a monthly or a yearly subscription. You just hit on one of those, and here just proceed. You can pay with PayPal, credit card, or manual bank transfer. If you're short on money, now we're slowly going to the advanced stuff. If you're short on money, here comes the cool thing. You can start to share referral links. I'll show you this here. You go to your account settings here. Here you have referrals. Here you find your personal referral link. You already see I already have 3 referrals. I don't know where they came from. You copy this and share it to anybody. Now if you have any type of referrals and somebody orders over your personal link, then you get 10% of their any sales which one of your referrals is making, and you can show you where this is, and you can redeem it anytime. Let me see where that is. Where's the referral thingy here? Here, referral links. Here you can redeem it anytime. Where's the link? Here's my personal account, and if I make any kind of orders in the shop, there you can redeem it. So it's not a real money payout, but here you can save a few bucks if you're short on cash. Some other additional cool stuff here, which you can use. As I already said, you find the search tags. Let me go to a department here, or in the academy. You find the search tags here. You find any type of search tags, and you find all content which is marked like Gary Moore now, which is marked with Gary Moore. So that's a way you can start searching your stuff. What I strongly recommend if you became a premium member is to open a blog. Why opening a blog? It's way more fun. I show you here. Here are a few blogs. Here you can start talking about your guitar journey, and you can also share your practice plans if you're willing to have some kind of monitoring what you're currently doing. You can write it here, you know. Let's see, Peter once, he did something here. He made a description, what he's doing, blah, blah, blah. And then I gave some recommendations which tutorials are really useful for that current playing level. So it's really a useful tool because there's so much content out there, and you probably lose track, and you really want to have some kind of guidance through all this stuff, and it's really useful. If you want to leave your this page one day, and if you're concerned that your data gets misused, it's written in the guidelines. Your data is completely safe. You can read it here. It will not be used at all for anything. And if you leave the page and you wrote a blog or any type of comments or whatever, you can ask to delete your account, and you do this here in your account settings, security and privacy, and here you enter your password, and here you can ask to remove all your data you created in the time you were on this web page. So you don't have to be worried that your data is misused. One more to say. Of course, my music is also displayed, but you find this in the lower part of the web page. It's matter of your interest, what your teacher is kind of music is doing, and my main feature is, so it's called Farbmusik. You find it here. Is also a club here. You also might want to join that community. If you feel like you want to have more private lessons, I offer private online lessons here, either with video download or per Skype. That's up onto you. It's not so cheap, but that's the regular Swiss price for for private lessons. I strongly recommend them if you really want to get somewhere, but I'm not trying to sell here, so it's really up onto you. If you feel you want to support this page more, it's a lot of work, I can tell. You can make a donation here. There's no problem. I think that's it. And here are all events which I'm doing, and they're all live streamed. So you can also watch my concerts live here. So you can check it out here. You can follow a thing. Here's one concert coming soon. It's gonna be fun. And here you can watch my concerts live too. So it's all on one place. These were now the main features on my website. There are of course more features there. I will do this when I will announce this in my newsletter. Please also subscribe to the newsletter. It's sent monthly. There you get a review, a summary of all new content, all the news, and you can switch off the newsletter anytime. It's, as I said, your data security is very important for me. Your data is completely safe there. It's not misused, and you can delete it anytime, or you can unsubscribe anytime. That's no problem. I can tell I'm in online education since many years, and I would say this is the best of the best you can have, because there's a guidance here. When you do online education, there's so much content out there, but there's no guidance. And here is a kind of a guidance on a reasonable price level for premium members. You cannot expect premium support, but there is some support that you're going in a direction. And if you have any serious questions, I strongly recommend that you take one lesson to just figure out, and then you can continue your studies. And that's how this whole web page is built. That was all to say. Thanks for your attention.